Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2016 Buick Verano doing a repair. The diagnostic code was P2127, which is for pedal position sensor 2 circuit. I'd already verified that the issue that we currently had was the pedal position itself. It was being a sporadic operation. I could use my little scanner and press down on it and you would see the voltage change like it was supposed to, but then every once in a while driving the voltage would drop out and it would not respond and throw you into limping mode. But once I got that determined that it was a pedal position problem, because it was not the voltage going to the pedal, but the return voltage which was having the problem. So one of the resistors inside the pedal itself was given a problem. Basically all there are is a potentiometer with several different circuits inside. You're going to have what they call an app sensor, 2 app sensors, 2 here and 2 in the throttle body. It's a redundant system, so if one app sensor does not agree with the second, it has a second series that does the exact same thing. So this way you don't have runaway cars like what you see sometimes, like the issue with the Toyotas where gas pedal gets stuck to the floor, which was due to people messing with their carpet and gas pedal getting stuck on it, which is not a electrical problem. It was a mechanical fault where it was pressing down on the gas pedal. But anyways, these are really simple. 1 bolt, 1 connector, that's it. Got a 10 millimeter right here. There's a connector up top here, which you can see on this right here. It's a slide and pull off. It little tab pulls off this way and it unlocks and completely releases the connector. So there's nothing you need to squeeze or pull or anything like that. There's also on the back right here, it just sits into a little groove, so you gotta make sure that that piece right there goes into the groove completely. And then there's also a pin right back here that lines it up so that the hole for the bolt will line up correctly. But it's relatively easy. Gotta push this paneling out of the way so you can get it lifted up far enough to get it out of that little groove socket. Just says there's a reset procedure. You can go in. I have one of these little launch scanners, which is great. I don't like bringing out my big scanner all the time, but that little one right there will do just about whatever kind of reset you can think of, from oil to TPS to throttle relearn, TPS relearn, tire pressure reset on some of them. It gives a great wealth of knowledge for a $150, $200 scanner, depending upon what you currently get the price for. But it's great for when I want to do something quick and easy and I don't want to bring out the big one. Real simple. It took me about 5 minutes to do. I also did the oil change, which I did the reset procedure for it. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. And if anybody want a link to that specific scanner right there, let me know. I'll put it in the comments. Thank you.